So you're ready to get into paint correction, but you have no idea where to start. In this video, we're going to go over the best tools for beginners and how to get the most out of each tool, whether you're on vehicle number 1 or vehicle number 100. Stick around.
Welcome to the Modern Professional Polishers Academy, where we answer daily questions, give you tips and tricks, and motivation to help you navigate the world of paint correction.
What's up, guys? I'm Smitty, and I'm the main instructor at the ProPolishersAcademy.com. So the main question that we get is, which machines do we need to begin? Everybody's, being referred to one brand or the other. Everybody's got their own biases. Each person has their own methodology for using the tools. So here in the shop, we've got tools from just about all of the big brands. We've got Griots, Rupes, and Flex tools for the most part. Depending on which way you want to go, depending on your budget, and depending on the types of jobs that you're trying to take on, that will be the contingency on which tool that you end up buying or which set of tools. So it's really good to have two. If you can swing two, if you can afford to get at least two polishers, two machines, you should do so. One for your bigger work, your 5-inch, 6-inch work, and then you need something for the tight spaces. You need something like a 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch machine. So for the lower end budget, the more entry level setup that will produce some good work, you can roll with the Griots G8 and the G9. The G8 is a 2/3-inch machine, and the G9 is your 5/6-inch machine. So with these two machines, you can knock out some pretty good work. We use them in the shop all the time. We've got 21 millimeter throws. We've got rotaries, but with the G8 and G9, you can really get some good results, flawless finishes. People ask us all the time if we're using a rotary, and we're just using these two machines. And it's really all about your pad product tool combination. So this is your G8. So it's got a nice weight to it. Love how it feels in hand. If you're working on a project for hours, you're talking 15, 20 hours worth of work. This is a really good machine, really comfortable in hand, and you really never get tired of using it. So that's really my tool of the year for last year. I love that G8. And the G9 is one of the best entry-level tools you can get. This is a very ergonomic machine, and anybody can use this thing. I love to pair it with a fast-correcting microfiber pad or a wool pad from Griots, and this thing will chop. I call it a baby rotary because it doesn't have much throw, but you can really do some cutting, and it doesn't heat the panel up fast like a 15 or 21 millimeter throw. So if you're just getting started and you're worried about heat or burning some paint, this is a really good machine to get rolling. Now, if you want to up your budget and you are mobile, a really good machine to have is the Flex XFE 15. I love this machine. We're in a big building. So at the end of a project, if I feel like everything's looking good, I'll pull the car out, ready to take photos of it. But if I see a spot, I don't want to have to pull that car way back in this building. So having a cordless machine is really good. So if you're mobile, these are some of the best machines on the planet. I haven't had any problems with this one. The brushless motor is something that is really reliable. And if you've got 2 or 3 batteries, you can really knock out some heavy work with the XFE 15. And to pair with it, you can roll with the PXE 80, which is the 1-inch or 3-inch DA/rotary. Only rotary with the 1-inch, no 3-inch rotary. But this is a really good machine as well. This thing has a lot of power. Most of the time, I'm always looking for more power out of every machine. On speed 4, this thing almost has too much power. So I really like how versatile this machine is. And when you put the 1-inch backing plate on here, and you're either using it for rotary or 12 millimeter DA, this is a very powerful machine. So the budget is a little bit more for the Flex setup than it is for the Griot setup, but either way, you can't go wrong. If you're getting the Griots lineup, you can get the 30-foot cord that they offer or the 25-foot cord that they offer, and it will really help you speed the job up, become more efficient, and you won't have to worry about tugging cords all around the vehicle, and you can really get some good work out of it. So depending on what you want, you might even want to mix it up a little bit. This is a really good lineup from the two companies, and you can't go wrong. So after that, it's all about pads and products. So we'll go over that in another video, but these machines are the ones that you want to go with. So if you've got a little bit of skill and you want to go on and step it up a little bit more, you need more throw. The new G21 from Grills is a really good machine as well. I love this thing. It cuts like no other. It's got a lot of power, and it's just a comfortable machine. And the price tag is not bad. It's almost half the price of the old G21. So, and it looks a lot sweeter. And I love these new vented backing plates that they have. So it keeps everything real cool. So this is a really good machine as well if you've already got some experience and you need a little bit more cut than a 9mm throw or 15mm throw. So those are the machines that we use all the time. As you can see behind me, we've got a lot more tools. Some of them are duplicates. We've got all kinds of stuff. But these are my go-tos for anybody who's looking to get into this field.
This video is sponsored by the Professional Polishers Academy. Head over to ProPolishersAcademy.com today and receive the first full course when you enroll for free. This includes all of the tools, products, and pads that are necessary for beginning in paint correction. This is our entire system all laid out for you in one course to help you get a jump start in the world of paint correction. Once again, enroll for free today and receive the first full course. And if you like it, enroll and become a permanent member and select one of the two options that are available for tuition.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, if it was informative, like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be giving out all kinds of information, tips, tricks, and really motivation for anyone looking to get into paint correction or already in it and looking for another push, looking for more of a push to really get out here and take over their field. If this is your first vehicle that you're getting ready to work on, or if you're just now looking into it and you're kind of afraid to do this thing, you can do it. It's not as complicated as everybody makes it seem. As long as you have a system, when you have a system in place, you can trust the system. You might need to tweak your methodology, but if the system is in place, you can make it happen. So that's what we'll be doing here. We'll be going over our system and how to help you become more efficient and turning your system into consistency. So if you want to speed up the process, you can head over to the Pro Polishers Academy. The link is in the description where you can become a permanent member and enroll and become part of the team. We'll be giving out courses every month with new insight on how to run your business and do it in a modernized way. So this is for anybody. If you guys want to get some paint correction gear that is catered specifically to paint correction, we've got the link to the Paint Correctors clothing line. As you can see, I'm wearing one of the shirts right now. So we designed this for the paint correction world. So we've got a few detailer shirts out there. We need something specifically for us. So guys, go out there, get the tools, get a test panel, get a test vehicle. A lot of you guys have plenty of vehicles in the yard that you can work on. Stop being afraid. The paint is waiting for you. So least aggressive methods first. Don't jump right in there. Use some common sense and you can make it happen. So we'll see you guys next time. If you have any questions, you can send us an email. Email is in the description as well. Peace.